Yeah, welcome back to the Bobcat Forever YouTube channel. On this channel we shoot all kinds of stuff, and lately we've been shooting a lot of 22 long rifle, chronographed a lot of them, and then shot them through some Luan plywood, and had a comment during that how do some of these rounds group, probably especially the fast ones. So I'm going to shoot some groups today with various ammo, and back at 50 yards. And drug out the lead sled to put the rifle in to try to take out my poor shooting and make it as best as I can to have respectable results down here. So we'll see. We're going to start out with some standard velocity, CCI standard velocity, and then some Agula super extra. So we'll shoot the standard velocity on the left and the Agula on the right, and we'll see how all that goes. Now here we are back at 50 yards. I'm going to shoot the CCI standard velocity down there at the target on the left, and then the Agula super extra at the target on the right. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds each out of the Ruger 1022. Yeah, it looked like both of those ammos ran well and got semi-respectable groups. Well, next we'll shoot the CCI Velocitor at the left target and the Agula Interceptor at the right target, all from 50 yards. Yeah, you could definitely hear the difference in those rounds. They're quite a bit faster bullets than the previous ones that we shot. So that's, again, not super bad, but we'll set up again and shoot a couple more. Well, we're going to go back up to 50 yards again and shoot a couple more ammunitions. This is the one that one of my viewers was interested in to see whether they would group or not, is the CCI Copper 22. They're moving at like 1900 feet per second, and then I'll shoot it in the left target. That's just in case it shoots high. I've got some open area up here, so we'll see. And then I'm going to shoot at the right target CCI mini mags. You know, again, those are not real bad. They're not great, but not real bad. The On the Copper 22, I had one round that I'm not sure exactly what happened, but I had to eject it. When I ejected it, I pulled out an empty shell and a new round. So it took just a little bit then to set that up. And mini mags look like they group fairly decent, but a little bit off to the right. Well, we're set up again, and so this time we'll shoot some CCI Stingers at the left target and some Browning BPR at the right target. Well, that was kind of so-so. It looks like I had one of the Stingers go way up there. I also had one that didn't feed, so I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but that was not particularly good. And this is so-so for the Browning BPR. Now we're set up again, so we'll shoot a couple more boxes of ammunition. Going to shoot Ely target at the left and Ely club at the right. Well, those were fairly decent groups. I've always had good luck shooting the Ely, especially the Ely club has done really well. Now next I'm going to shoot the Blazer ammunition on the left target and the quat 22 CCI at the right target, and I think when I shoot the quat ammo I'm going to switch over to my Henry gun because I'm pretty sure it won't cycle through the semi-automatic. It should be no problem with the lever action. Well, the Blazer wasn't all that bad, but the quat 22s were all down here. So I go back and shoot 5 more of those, and I'll be aiming at the very top of this target and see if we can't get some closer to the middle. Actually, there's one barely made the paper there. So go back and do that again. Well, for the quat 22s, I was aiming right there in order to get them onto the paper. Now this is an old one down here. So these are the 5 here. 4 of the 5 aren't too shabby. So anyhow, but definitely was shooting what, a good 6 inches low because of the speed of the quat 22s. Well, we're getting down near the end of our ammo here. So I have some Winchester super speed. I'll shoot over at the left target, and then some Federal Tarbert grade performance bulk ammo. I'll shoot here at the right side. Well, the Federal bulk ammo sprayed around a little bit. This Winchester, I think I actually pulled that last one there. After I shot it, I could tell I'd moved a little bit, so that was pretty good. Well, next I'm shooting 2 Remington bulk ammos. Over here on the left, I will shoot the golden bullet, which was in a bucket of ammo, and then on the right I'll shoot the Remington 22 Thunderbolt. And for all I know, these might be the exact same bullets, just packaged differently. So we'll see. Well, those were not great, but for bulk ammo, probably not all that bad. This one particularly had 4 of them there, pretty good. That was the golden bullet. But anyhow, we're all done. We shot a whale of a lot of bullets, and it was a nice day. It's been partly cloudy down here today, probably about in the 80s right now, which is about comfortable. And so we'll put a video together on this. Unfortunately, it will probably be a long video, but anyhow, I hope you bear with it. And thanks for being down here, and everybody stay safe.